Morning, my dear students. Now we are going to talk about Unit 6 Solid State. It's a very important video and please carefully watching. First one, what is the unit cell? The basic repeating structural unit of a crystalline solid. Listen, the basic repeating structural unit of a crystalline solid is called a unit cell. The basic repeating structural unit of a crystalline solid is called a unit cell. How many types of unit cell? Two types of unit cell. First one, primitive unit cell. Another one, non-primitive unit cell. Listen, the basic repeating structural unit of a crystalline solid is called a unit cell. Two types of unit cell. First one, primitive unit cell, and another one, non-primitive unit cell. First one, what is the primitive unit cell and what is the non-primitive unit cell? Look the picture. There are two types of unit cell. First one, primitive and non-primitive. A unit cell that contains only one lattice point is called a primitive unit cell. A unit cell that contains only one lattice point is called primitive unit cell. A unit cell that contains only one lattice point is called primitive unit cell, which is made up from the lattice point at each of the corners and each of the corners. Listen, a unit cell that contains only one lattice point is called a primitive unit cell, which is made up from the lattice point at each of the corners. Next, what is the non-primitive unit cell? Green color is a non-primitive unit cell. There are additional lattice points. Either on a face of the unit cell or within the unit cell. These are additional lattice points either on a face of the unit cell or within the unit cell. Okay, two types of unit cell. First one, primitive unit cell, and another one, non-primitive unit cell. What is the primitive unit cell? The unit cell that contains only one lattice point is called a primitive unit cell. What's the non-primitive unit cell? These are additional lattice points either on a face of the unit cell or within the unit cell. There are 7 primitive crystal systems. How many types of primitive crystal system? There are 7 primitive crystal system: cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, monoclinic, triclinic, and rhombohedral. Listen, there are 7 primitive crystal system: cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, monoclinic, and triclinic, and rhombohedral that differ in the arrangement of the crystallographic axes and angles. Corresponding to the above 7, Braves defined 14 possible crystal systems. Braves define 14 possible crystal system. So Brave is 14 crystal system. The 7 primitive unit system. There are 7 primitive crystal systems. There are 7 primitive crystal systems. Look the pictures carefully. It's a very easy. First one. Look this picture. Angle A, B, and C. Look, A, B, and C. Look, A, A, B, C. Cubic. Cubic, A equal to B. Three access point is equal. A equal to B, B equal to C. Therefore, A, B, A, alpha, beta, gamma equal to 90 degree. Look, rhombohedral. Different. Rhombohedral is here. Different. But the 3 points are same. A equal to B, B equal to C. Therefore, alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma. Therefore, not 90 degree, but the same, not 90 degrees Celsius. Okay. And another one hexagonal. And another one hexagonal. Look. A same, A, B same, but C is a long length. C is long length. Therefore, A equal to B equal to 90 degree, and B not C. Therefore, B not equal to C. Therefore, gamma equal to 120 degree. Next one, tetragonal. Same 90 degree, but not equal to C. Next one, orthorhombic. Next one, orthorhombic. A not B and B not C. Not equal but same degree, 90 degree. Next one, monoclinic. A not B, B not C. Also not equal, but A equal to alpha equal to gamma 90 degree, beta only not 90 degree. Triclinic. A not B, B not C. Therefore, A not alpha not beta, beta not equal to gamma. Say 14 brevis is an important 3 mark question. 14 brevis lattice or brevis 14 cubic. Okay, or 14 uh, 14 brevis unit cell. First one, cubic. Three types of unit cells: primitive unit cell and body centered. Sorry, three types of unit cell. Primitive unit cell, three types: uh, simple unit, simple unit, and body center and face center. Look the picture. Cubic, primitive. How many corners? 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners is simple or primitive. Simple cubic or primitive cubic. Next one, body centered. This is the simple. This is unit cell. The unit cell central body only one. Okay. Therefore, body center. The face center. Look the picture. The first face, body center 1, and the side face, body center 2, and another side face 3. This right side of the face 4, and up face and down face. Totally 6 face. Listen, primitive simple unit cell face on the only 8 corners. Body center 8 corners and 1 body center. Face center 8 corners and 6 face center. That's all. And tetragonal, primitive, and the body center 1. And hexagonal, simple, primitive only. And orthorhombic, primitive, body center and face center. And monoclinic, primitive and base is face center. And trigonal, only primitive. And triclinic, only primitive. Say simple cubic unit cell. Say important 3 mark questions. Very very important 3 mark questions. First one, simple cubic unit cell. Simple cubic unit cell. Each atom in the corner of the cubic unit cell is called 8 neighboring unit cell. Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each atom in the corner of the cubic unit cell is shared by 8 neighboring unit cell, and therefore atoms per unit cell is equal to Nc by 8. Nc means number of corners. Nc means number of corners divided by 8. Each atom in the corner 8. Therefore, number of corners equal to number of corners divided by 8. 8 means each atom in the corner. How many atoms in the corner? How many corners in the atom? 8. Therefore, 8. Where Nc is the number of atoms at the corners. The number of atoms at the corners. The say very equation, number of atoms in a simple cubic. S means simple, C means cubic. Simple cubic unit cell. Nc divided by 8. Number of corners, 1. Number of corners 4 plus 4, 8. Therefore 8 by 8 equal to 1. Next one, body centered cubic unit cell. Look the picture. Number of corners 8 and number of body center 1. That's all. Look the picture. Number of corners divided by 8, number of body center divided by 1. By 8 by 8, 1 by 1. Therefore 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Look the picture. In a body centered cubic unit cell, each corner is occupied by an identical particle. And in addition to that, one atom occupies the body center. Those atoms which occupy the corners do not touch each other. However, they all touch the one that occupies the body center. Hence, each atom is surrounded by 8 nearest neighbors, and coordination number is 8. An atom present at the body center belongs to only to a particular unit cell. I answered by the other unit cell. So number of atoms in a BCC unit cell. BCC means body centered cubic unit cell. Nc divided by 8 plus Nb divided by 1. 8 by 8 plus 1 by 1. Therefore 1 plus 1, 2. And face centered cubic unit cell. In a face centered cubic unit cell, listen, how many corners? Each atom how many corners? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But number of face of a unit cell 6. 6 divided by 2. In a face centered cubic unit cell, identical atoms lie at a such corner, each corner as well as in the center of each face. Those atoms in the corners touch those in the faces, but not each other. The coordinate number is 2. The atoms in the face center is being shared by 2 unit cells. Each atom in the face centers makes 1 by 2 contribution to the unit cell. Number of atoms in a FCC unit cell, Nc divided by 8 plus Nf by 2 equal to 8 by 8 plus S by 2. Therefore 1 plus 3 equal to 4. That's all. Students, this video is a very important unit topic. How many questions? Define unit cell, types of unit cell, and important questions, define unit cell. And another one, how many types of how many faces of unit cell? 7 faces. 7 faces. Another one, how many Brevis unit cell? Draw the Brevis unit cell and draw the 7 primitive unit cell. Draw the 7 primitive unit cell and draw the 14 Brevis unit cell, and calculate the BCC, SC, and FCC. Okay, that's all. All the best, my students. God bless you.